go get them again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host Mark, and on the docket today we have an unboxing first impression video on the brand of Lacoste. Lacoste always been a brand that I always tell subscribers, never ever pay full retail for Lacoste. Definitely bargain bin sense. I wouldn't spend more than $50 on a Lacoste fragrance. There is not too many Lacoste I can name. I can even probably name 5 that are worth more than $50, honestly. That's my thought process with Lacoste. They really need to destroy and rebuild the brand. Great brand, but this is called Eau de Lacoste, so it's on the feminine aisle. We're going to see what this one is all about. Eau de Lacoste pour femme. Apparently, pour femme? Yeah, pour femme. Okay, so it's an EDP. We got a 50 ml right in front of me. Let's delve into it before we get into anything. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. Much appreciated. And to all my returnees, merci beaucoup. Thank you very much for your support. So now let's take a look at the note breakdown, and we're seeing a fruity floral. That's exactly what I was going to expect from Lacoste. This was released back in 2013, so it has 10 plus years to its name. I don't know if it's still on the market today. But yeah, the note breakdown has pineapple, white pineapple, mandarin, some florals, and base notes of vanilla, vetiver, and sandalwood. So let's open this one up. Let's see what we got. And again, like Lacoste is, yeah, it looks like, almost looks like something I would put in my Christmas tree. So it's looking like it's like a little ball that's supposed to be a tennis ball, maybe, in the shape of a tennis ball. I don't know what the cap has to do with that, though. It might be tennis related. I might be wrong. So let's delve into it. Lacoste, Eau de Lacoste. So let's open it up. Let's put it on strip first, then we'll put it on skin. Let's take a look at it. Let's delve into it. Pretty good atomizer, actually, for this little ball. Oh. Somebody has put quite a dent in this one. Quite a dent. Frag Flex, you're watching. All right. Oh, that smells like strawberries. White pineapple? I don't know about that. Maybe. More strawberry than anything. A little white floral action here. We'll go with the jasmine. A little bit of an orangey glow, so you're getting that from the orange blossom or the mandarin, either or, it doesn't matter. Yeah, it's pretty much exactly where I slot in a Lacoste, right? Don't pay, don't pay more than $30 for this thing. I'm not getting any fireworks here. People see pineapple and no breakdown right now. I'm getting like a strawberry-like hue, and there's nothing in here that's saying, the no breakdown, strawberry. It has citrusy touches, but no pineapple here. It's a typical fruity floral. There's not much to dissect here. A lot of Lacoste, what you see is what you get. They're good for what they are. They're a throw-on type of fragrance after a shower. Maybe you got this as a present or something. You're just gonna wear it out casually. Signature scent, maybe for a short period of time. Teenagers, stuff like that, right? It's that kind of stuff. Maybe after playing tennis or sport or something. It's a little watery. It's a little sweet. Yeah, it's a starter fragrance, right? It's a synthetic thing that really doesn't move the needle for me personally. Stuff like this is on the market, dime a dozen. This doesn't have, like, if you're buying this for the pineapple, personally, I'm not getting any. I'm getting fruitiness, yes. It's more of a citrusy, orangey thing with strawberry hue, but the strawberry hue's leaving, like it left. Yeah, I don't know. More of a jasmine kind of vanillic, musky thing in the back end. A little bit of a watery aspect that I don't know where that's coming from. But other than that, Very typical, very mall scent, very bargain bin-esque scent. Yeah, nothing crazy here. So from the brand of Lacoste, as usual, you know, short fragrance review unboxing, because there's not much really to dissect. Unfortunately, Lacoste really needs, and I know this has, you know, been on the market for 10 plus years. I don't know if it still is, but it's an older Lacoste, but even the newer stuff is not, it has no inspiration to it. I don't know. The last time I was, I'm trying to think of a Lacoste. I think it was back in the 90s that there were some Lacoste that were pretty good, like okay, but still not worth more than 50 bucks, honestly. But you can find this at fragflex.com. This is where I got this bottle right here. You can use my code TFG10. You get 10% off site-wide, so you don't have to buy a Lacoste, thank God. Yeah, if you want to, discounters are always a great place to get brands like this. Never go full retail. Ever go full retail at Lacoste. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. Good, bad, and the ugly. Please don't hesitate to give your thoughts on this particular fragrance or Lacoste as a brand. If you think there's a standout from the brand of Lacoste, please throw them at me. I might not have smelt them. I'll be more than happy to smell a Lacoste fragrance that some people think are 10 out of 10s or 9 out of 10s. Great ones. I think they were doing much better scents, and I don't mean that in a way that they're giving out 10s, but they had some solid scents in the, you know, late 90s, things like that. In my recollection, and maybe early 2000s, like before 2013, they had a few solid ones, in the men's aisle at least. And as always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.